As I've mentioned before, these links kind of don't go to anywhere because we don't have those pages created yet. So let's just say that we're completely done with this index page. This is the way that we want it to look. I mean, we do have some additional information here, but we can delete it out. But for the most part, we're pretty much done as far as we can be done as far as formatting, linking things, etc. So now we want to use this as our template for creating other pages. So I'm going to go up here to File and do a Save As. And the first one I'm going to save is in the About. So I'm going to call this about.html. And how do I know that I'm naming this About? Because we already went through and we did all of this planning. We knew that inside About we were going to have an about.html. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And we get a little pop-up here that says Update Links. We're going to go ahead and click Yes. And what that does is updates the links inside these little menu items here. So up here we have our index page and we have our About page, and both pages are basically identical right now. So I'm going to go into my About page, and maybe over here where it says Header, I'm going to call this About, because that's what this page is. And then go ahead and hit Save to that, and go back to my index page, do another File, Save As, and do one in Resume. And click Save. Update links, click Yes. Change my header name again to Resume. File to save. Go back to my index page. Always go back to my index page each time. Save As, and I need one inside Portfolio. Go ahead and click Save. Click Yes. Rename my header Portfolio. And click Save. Back to my index page, repeat procedure for pretty much each website that I have. So I need one inside Contact. Click Save, Yes. Rename this Contact. File the save on this. And I need one for those two sub pages inside Portfolio. So we have Design Implementation. Click Save, and Yes. Change header to Design Implementation. Whoops. Have to be really careful in Dreamweaver. The spell checker is not turned on by default. Go to Index, File Save As, and I'm going to go to Portfolio, Design Studio. Remember, I made all web pages lowercase and folders start with an uppercase. Click Save. It's very much case sensitive, so this becomes Design Studio. Save. So now if you go to our index page, we'll find that those links will now navigate to some place and they will actually work for us.